Delay settings are an important part of tuning a system. So go to Tune, then select Delay. Scroll the mouse wheel to zoom out. Hold down the right mouse button while you move the background to center the icons you want to work with. TGX and IPX amplifiers have three main DSP sections. One, called User Control, is for overall system adjustments like room tuning. A second one, called Array Control, is for adjustments within a cluster or array. And a third, called Speaker Processing, is reserved for loading the speaker settings under Setup, Connect, and Setting. In our example, we see under User that there is no delay in the signal path yet. Switch to Array to check if a delay has already been set. We can see that some of the loudspeakers already have a delay value. In the subarray, the delay times are staggered from the center to the outside. Instead of a simple monocluster, we're going to create a curved subarray. By using delays on the subs, we can create a curved array without physically aiming the speakers. The next step is to time align the main system with the subs and front fills. For this, we switch to User. To change the settings for multiple speakers at the same time, for example all the subwoofers, simply select the loudspeakers that you want to delay. The delay flyout opens for the selected group. Now you can set a delay value for these speakers that is independent of the array delay. We want to align the subs to our tops. Click anywhere outside the flyout to close it. Now follow the same steps with the front fills. To align them to the tops, just select them and set the delay time you need. Now go to User plus Array. Here, SonicU displays the values of user and array delays. Now we want to align our PA to a sound source on the stage, for instance, the drums. To change multiple loudspeakers in different clusters or arrays, hold down the Control key while selecting the speakers. While selecting, hold Control. The flyout doesn't display a delay time because the speakers have been assigned different delay values. Now you can set a relative delay for all the groups you selected. With a few clicks, the PA is now completely aligned to our sound source on stage.